Today we're going to be making Mexican carnitas. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need pork shoulder, onions, garlic, oranges, chicken broth, and spices. Let's do it! Cut your pork shoulder into 2-inch cubes. Here, you can see there's a lot of fat on it, and that is good, so you don't have to take it off. We are going to be roasting our carnitas in the oven, so I'm going to use a pot. Next, add the onions, garlic, and oranges. Now it's time to add the spices. I'm going to be using salt, coriander, black pepper, and oregano. So did I suppose I cut it? Like sugar? Finally, we're gonna add our chicken broth. But we don't need to fill it all up to the very top. It looks perfect with all the spices on top. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and roast it for 2 hours with the lid on, and then roast it for 1 hour with the lid off. We need to do the 1 extra hour so we'll get crispy on the edges. Look how it is amazing! Take the carnitas out of the pot and onto a board. Shred and enjoy. Look how juicy it is. I want to eat it. Look at this beauty! It's so crispy and juicy. And also healthy and good. Time to try our taco.